Hi there everybody, this is Matt from Leggett Kia. I'm sitting inside the all-new Kia K5 and today I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to connect your wireless phone to your car for calling and Bluetooth audio, as well as showing you a quick rundown of hooking up Android Auto. So, starting off, we're going to start off here on our smartphone. So this is an Android smartphone, and I'm just in the normal settings menu here. This is going to vary on every single phone, so yours will not always look the exact same as mine. So for me, I'm looking at connected devices here on the menu. We're going to open that up, and at the very top I have Bluetooth. You want to make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and that's it for the phone for now. Coming over to the center screen here, we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Device Connections, and then Bluetooth connections. This here would normally show a list of all of the connected devices that you currently have registered to your vehicle. Right now there's none because this is a brand new vehicle and nobody's connected anything. So we're going to click Add New. It's asking if we want hands-free calling and audio streaming. Of course we do, so I'm going to hit OK.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
So right here under Available Devices it says Kia Motors, so I'm going to click that. Now it said here, Bluetooth pairing request, and it has a passkey, 825291. We just want to make sure the passkey on the phone matches the passkey here on the screen. If it does, it means you're connecting to the right car, and you can hit on your phone pair. And there we go. Matt's phone is now connected, and it shows here on the list. So now I can play music and answer calls through the controls on the steering wheel without ever touching my phone. So the next thing we're going to do is a little bit of troubleshooting tips. If you're ever having any issues with your Bluetooth connection, it's not connecting or something's not working with it, the first and best step is always to just try turning Bluetooth off on your phone and turning it back on. If that doesn't work, I recommend just going into this Bluetooth menu, which, as a reminder, you go Setup, Device Connections, Bluetooth Connections, and that shows the list. And you choose Delete Devices, select the device that's having issues and hit Delete. And very quickly it's going to forget your phone ever existed, and then you can reconnect your phone like I showed before, and that will usually fix most problems that you're having. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is setting up Android Auto. Apple CarPlay is very similar, but the big difference is you don't need to install any app. It's just built into the Apple operating system through Siri. But for Android, you do need an app. So we're just going to open up the Play Store here, and we're going to search Android Auto. And we're going to pull up the Android Auto page. It'll look like this. And you're going to hit Install. For me, it says Open because I already have the app installed. But you'll click Install. Once that's installed, you're going to want to open it up for the first time. You're going to go through the initial setup. It just explains everything in there. You hit Next and Agree. Now coming back to the car, we've got USB cable. This is just standard charging cable that fits my phone. So I'm going to plug it in down here into the USB port. The location of this is usually going to be down here below the climate controls, but on some cars it might be in a slightly different spot. So once it's plugged in, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the phone. You don't need to open an app or anything, and we're just going to plug it in. The moment I plug it in, it's going to detect that it's connected to a car, and boom, it opened up Android Auto automatically. So it just wants me to go through the first time setup for this vehicle. So we're just going to hit Next, and there we go. So Android Auto is now loading up, and we currently have here on the screen a map. Let's bring that a little bit closer. So we've got Google Maps. If we click on this corner in the bottom, we've got all the various apps that we have available, like podcasts, Spotify, phone, the news, Audible, weather, all that sort of stuff is available here. And of course, the most important one is your Google Maps. It's really that simple. It's quite literally just plug the phone in with the app installed and it just works. I recommend keeping a cable in your car at all times. That way, it's just easy. Every single time you get in your car, you just plug your phone in, and a bonus, your phone's going to be fully charged when you're done your drive. So that's it. If you need any additional help or have any questions, you can go ahead and shoot me a comment down here and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And if you're interested in a new Kia vehicle, go ahead and reach out to me. I'd be happy to arrange a test drive.